Ever wondered what the secret to radiant skin might be? Look no further than your kitchen pantry. Yes, the humble rice, a staple in many diets, is not just good for your health but also for your skin. First up, we have the rice and cinnamon mask, perfect for dry skin. Rice, a natural skin toner, works wonders in improving blood circulation, resulting in a healthy glow. Cinnamon, on the other hand, is packed with polyphenols, potent antioxidants that battle free radicals. Add a touch of glycerin to lock in moisture, and you have a mask that banishes dry skin. Combine half a cup of boiled rice with 2 tablespoons of cinnamon and 1 tablespoon of glycerin. Apply this blend to your face, wait for 15 minutes, then rinse with cold water. A weekly application of this nourishing mask will leave your skin feeling soft and hydrated. Next, we have the rice and honey mask, a godsend for oily skin. This mask uses rice, milk and honey to cleanse your pores without stripping your skin of its natural moisture. Milk, with its lactic acid, removes excess oil, while its nourishing properties moisturize your skin. Honey, an excellent antiseptic, contains antibacterial properties that combat acne-causing bacteria. Meanwhile, rice absorbs excess sebum, leaving your skin grease-free. Combine 3 tablespoons of cooked rice with 2 tablespoons of honey and 1 tablespoon of raw milk. Apply the paste to your face, leave it on for 20 minutes, then rinse with cold water. Use this mask 2 to 3 times a week for a radiant complexion. Lastly, we have the rice and egg white mask, a surefire anti-aging solution. Egg whites, known for their astringent properties, tighten your skin. Rice, rich in vitamin B, aids in cell regeneration and slows skin aging. To create this skin-tightening mask, mix 2 tablespoons of rice flour with 1 egg white and 4 drops of glycerin. Massage the mixture onto your face, let it dry, then wash it off with cold water. Apply this mask once or twice a week for a glowing, youthful complexion. These rice face pack recipes are easy to make and are sure to leave your skin looking clear and radiant. Remember to like, share and comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for tuning in.